The auto stocks seem to be coming out of a slumber, with the index posting the best day that we've had since 13th of April. In fact, the Nifty Auto Index managed to climb more than 3% in yesterday's trade and was among the outperformers. But what are the factors to watch out for going forward, and are there signs of sectoral rotation? And is the Nifty Auto making a comeback? That's the big question we are trying to address. First and foremost, let me address the price action. Now, if you have a look at the chart of the Nifty Auto, that had been falling and continuously making lower high pattern ever since the month of June. But yesterday, that seems to be reversed, because the Nifty Auto managed to climb above the falling trend line, which had started way back in June as well. Now, this was after it tested the key moving averages, which is the 50 as well as the 100-day moving average, and with yesterday's close it has managed to surpass or close above all the key moving averages. So the price action or the momentum has definitely built up on the auto stocks. As far as sectoral rotation is concerned, very interesting to note that the ratio of the Nifty Auto Index to the Nifty Index, that took support at its long-term average, which was just above 0.5 times. Interestingly, currently also it trades below the long-term average, which is near the 0.7 to 0.8 mark. So mean reversion itself would mean that the Nifty Auto stocks could manage to outperform the Nifty going forward in the shorter term as well. Now, some of the factors that are at hand, of course, you have the semiconductor chip issue, which has been a global phenomenon, and everyone has been impacted on account of that. But the positive side to look forward is, back home in India, there could be a pickup in the sales demand during the upcoming festive season. And yesterday we had Maruti, which said, it has asked its vendors to go back to normal production levels as was planned earlier. The Nifty Auto Index seasonality has also been in favor of the last 3 months of the year. It has managed to return more than 1% in each of the last 3 months of the year, and on a quarterly basis, the average return has been in excess of 5% during the last quarter itself. And analysts are also quite upbeat about some of these auto stocks. So the return potential expected from Exide as well as Amara Raja has been more than 15 to 18%, M&M at 17%, Bharat Forge at 14%. You have TVS Motor and Ashok Leyland, which are also anticipated to go up as much as 11 to 12% over the next 1 year. Hero MotoCorp, Tata Motors and Bajaj Auto, analysts are expecting a return potential of anywhere between 8.5 to 9.5% over the next 1 year. And Maruti, after making the big 6% move yesterday, that has come close to its return potential point, which is the target price, just about 2% above from where it closed yesterday. But definitely the auto stocks have made a roaring comeback, with the signs of more to come.